Today we'll study about tissue culture, which is also known as micropropagation. So it is a process of growing new plants by cell culture or tissue culture. Now in this tissue culture technique, what we do, we take a explant. What is an explant? It is a small tissue which we take from the growing tips, and then we transfer this small tissue to the nutrient medium. The nutrient medium, it will provide all the nutrients to the small tissue for its growth, and we keep this in under aseptic conditions where no germs are present, so it will not hamper the growth of the plant. Now these cells, then they start growing rapidly, and when they grow rapidly they form a cell mass which is known as callus. So this callus is then transferred to another nutrient medium which contains plant hormones. So now these plant hormones which are present, it will act as growth regulators. Some of the plant hormones will help the shoot part to grow, and some of the plant hormones will help the root part to grow. So this callus is transferred to the medium. Then after the nutrient, it is transferred to the nutrient medium, it will differentiate into roots and shoots, and then it will form plantlets when it differentiate into root and shoot. Now these plantlets which are there, they are grown into the pots which are filled with soil, so that new plants can grow from them. Many plants like asparagus, you have chrysanthemum, orchids, they are grown by the tissue culture technique. Now if you'll see this figure, this is the culture medium where once the tissues they have grown into a cell mass which is a callus, and then this callus is then again transferred to the medium which is containing plant hormones, and there these plant hormones then give rise, root system develops and plantlets develops, and when this plantlet develops, it is then transferred to the pot so that new plants can grow. Now there are various economic importance of artificial propagation, like the artificial propagation can be used in agriculture to grow new plants. These plants which are grown, they can grow from a tiny tissue which we use, and then they grow into new plantlets, and they are free from any infection. They are high yielding, they will yield more fruits, more vegetables, and they are disease resistant varieties. Now what are the advantages of vegetative propagation? We'll discuss. The advantages are that rapid multiplication take place, that they grow very rapidly, and it is an easier method of propagation, so you will get more fruits and flowers early. Then they are genetically identical offsprings are there, so they are genetically identical to their parents. The plant which they grow, they are exactly the exact copies of the parent plant. They are easy to grow, so in the early stages they don't need much of attention, they can grow very easily, and they grow vegetatively. So they grow vegetatively means there is no need to produce viable seeds. Viable seeds are the seeds which grow into new plants, so there is no need of the seeds. They will grow vegetatively through the roots, stems. Then next we have the disadvantages of vegetative propagation. The disadvantage is that they are genetically identical. Now because they are genetically identical to their parents, so any parent plant which is suffering from any disease or infection, the same infection or disease will be there in the new plant also. And if the parent plant which is produced, it is not having it is not yielding, less fruits are there, it is not yielding more fruits, so the same can be seen in the new plant. Then overcrowding can also be seen. What is overcrowding? That new plants which they grow in the same area. In the small same area the new plants will be growing, because there is no dispersal of the plants. So the sunlight which they get, or the nutrients which they are getting from the soil, they will be distributed in all the plants, because overcrowding is there. So some will get the nutrients, some will be in some there will be deficiency of the nutrients, so the plants will not grow properly. I hope this is clear. Thank you.